I use the website Evernote in order to create my notebooks. So over here in the left-hand columns, you see a title, Notebooks. So I click on that and I made two, one about soccer and one about the rainforest. The rainforest over here, I just clicked on a template and made key points, and I put 3 key points. I then went to the website Creative Commons over here, and I just searched rainforest images, and I just copied the link and went back over to Evernote, and I just copy and pasted 4 images from Creative Commons. I also down here attached a PDF of the article that I found on the rainforest, and here I highlighted some things. Under my soccer notebook, I also put a couple fun facts about the Premier League of soccer. Over here on the left-hand column, you can just go to notes, and you can click on all the notes that you've made total.